Hello guys, so you want to make aloe vera gel hairspray without it being so slimy? This is your chance, sweetheart. Take it. So aloe vera gel is amazing for the hair. It's also good for the skin. Rosemary is also wonderful as well as aloe vera gel. I did not wash any of these ingredients on camera or chopping off the ingredients on camera because I already did have videos on both of these ingredients that I'm using. I just wanted to do a short video on me showing you how to make aloe vera gel hairspray without it being so long. That's why I just say, okay, since I've been doing this DIY and I never shared it before, let me put it out there for my newest and oldest subscriber on this channel so they can also be able to make their own DIY aloe vera gel hairspray without it being so slimy. So make sure you wash your ingredients before putting it in the pot and start the process. So guys, I add a little bit of water in this aloe vera gel because aloe vera gel is made of 99% of water and I didn't want it to be so watery. That's why I did that. So I just add a little bit of mashed powder, kind of like a spicing of my hairspray, aloe vera hairspray. Mashed powder is also good to make the hair stronger. And I mix it up and I'm going to blend it. Blend it real good and I'm going to screen it. Finish screening it, I'll put it into that spray bottle. I'm just going to show you. I did a 2-strand twist and I did box spray my hair from the roots. And I'm just going to spray this product on my scalp and work my way to my ends and massage it gently so my twist can fall apart and so that I can fragile my poor roots. Anyway, guys, I will see you in my next one.